Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of everything happening on your Facebook page, enabling reminder notifications is a game changer. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed a bit, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each one, so you never miss an important moment on your page again. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you have multiple pages, just choose the one where you want to enable reminders. After you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. This will open up a new set of settings specifically for your page. Next, find and click on Notifications in the left-hand menu. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive about your page. Under Notifications, you'll see an option labeled Reminders. Click on Reminders to view all the available reminder settings. Here's the most important step. Make sure the toggle for Allow Notifications on Facebook is switched on. This will activate reminder notifications for your page, ensuring you get timely alerts for important events, updates, and activities. And that's it. You've successfully enabled reminders notifications for your Facebook page using the new update on your PC. Now, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to engaging with your audience and managing your page like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.